what I do is basically I just eat when I feel hungry. Yes, I just eat when I feel hungry. And if I have consumed something which is not appropriate for my body, I always try to compensate the next day itself. And I make sure that I walk for at least 30 minutes a day. I mostly rely upon intermittent fasting. I make sure that when I'm doing intermittent fasting, I don't consume any solids at the time of fasting. I only have liquids like coffee, tea or water, nothing more than that. And during my eating window, I eat whatever I want to eat, but that too in limited quantity. So in this way you can achieve your goal. But yes, everyone's body is not same, so you have to customize your own diet plan. तो मैं सुबह उठते ही सब्जा पानी पीती हूँ. I will have chia seeds, sabja seeds, or I will have lemon water. And after that, if I am hungry, I will eat almonds or I will have a fruit. If I am not hungry, I will skip the breakfast. As simple as that. I skip my breakfast. Yes, I am not hungry, I will not eat. That's it. So what I do is that it is very important that you maintain your nutrient value. So every day I consume a vitamin tablet. Every day I will have only one vitamin tablet. And afternoon my fasting period will be finished and I will have my lunch, and whatever I want to eat, I will finish eating by 8 p.m. and after that I will do some physical activity. Either I walk, either I do some stretching. Very minimal amount of exercise I do, very minimal amount. So whatever heavy things I would eat, that will be during lunchtime. During lunchtime I prefer to eat either brown rice or quinoa with vegetables. Sometimes I have only fruits. So it depends upon my mood. So according to my mood swings, I will choose the food. So in this way you will not feel that you are starving. Okay, every day keep on changing your routine. Eat something or the other. If you are feeling hungry, break the fast. Yes, if you are feeling hungry, break the fast, but next day try to stick on it. You can do your diet, but don't make it so hard that you can't follow it. Make it easy. Make it easy going. Then only any diet can be followed and your goals can be achieved. So this is what I follow every day. So the main tip or the main rule which I follow is that I only eat when I am hungry.